Well, good afternoon, everyone. Hopefully, this is actually recording. It's been a while since I've actually been able to use my Chromebook to do these card readings. But as you can see, we're in a different environment. I'm at my friend Stephanie's visiting and kind of checking out to see if I like the state that she lives in and possibly be making it my home as well. So we're here visiting for now, but she gave me this beautiful tapestry as a background to use in the meantime. And I allowed her to pick the deck. Whoa, have a jumper um, for us to use today. And she chose the Archangel Animal Oracle deck by Diana Cooper. So we are asked the question every week, what does the collective need to know? What type of action do they need to take this week? And what do we need to focus on this week? So today is August 31st. Tomorrow is Labor Day. So we put our thoughts and prayers out to everybody for whatever you might need it for, whether it's healing on a physical plane, mental, emotional, or even if you need some extra spiritual healing. We send that to all of you with lots of love from the Creator. And we're just going to see exactly what it is that Spirit wants us to focus on as a collective for this week starting August 31st, the last day of August. The last day of my birthday month, folks. So you have until, well, not midnight because I'm not staying up that late, but today's the last day of the birthday special. So if you haven't signed up for that, there will be other ones. I will probably do one at Christmas time. And who knows, I might come up with something else in between. But today is going to be the last day of that $49 birthday special for this month. So we are going to choose 3 cards. Plus, remember, we have a jumper already. And we're going to see what the collective needs to know, needs to focus on, and also what kind of action we need to take. So let's turn the cards over and see what we have. Oh, that's different. I haven't used this deck for a while, so this is going to be interesting. So the first card is the Ladybird. And it says, accept happiness and good fortune. That's kind of cool. I accept it 100%. The second card is the Rhinoceros. And that one says, be strong and courageous. Our third card is the Deer. Oof. And that one says, trust in the support of the universe. And let's see what our jumper was. I always love it when my main power animal likes to pop in for pay attention, because we've got the bear. And the bear says, use your power with wisdom. So Now, let's go a little bit into more detail on, whoops, would help if I knew the alphabet. Ladybird. Well, it's going to be interesting to see if I can read this because of the lighting in here. If you choose this card, it signals that you are about to receive a blessing from the universe. We will always take those. An angel may touch your happiness. Wait a minute. That doesn't make any sense. An angel may touch your happiness. Oh, hold on. It always helps if you know where the punctuation is. So it is. An angel may touch your happiness. It may touch you. And then happiness awaits you. You are illuminated with a new understanding, or good fortune is coming your way. Give thanks for all that you have received already. And it's something, gratitude should be done consistently every day. When you wake up, during the day, whenever you think about it, at night before you go to bed, always be in a state of gratitude so that you are energetically prepared for the new before the gift flies away. Hence the ladybird. Ladybird energy invites you to spread angelic qualities today. This will make a difference to those you touch, and you may be surprised how people and animals will appreciate it. You are also asked to communicate graciously to all the people you meet or write to in a way that will nourish and support them. And I might add, nourish and support yourself as well. So now we're going to see what the rhinoceros has to say. Excuse me. The guidance from the rhinoceros. This card reminds you that you do a great deal of service work, especially healing without knowing that you do so. You are asked to visualize the blue aquamarine flame of Michael and Mary and imagine yourself standing within it. This will activate knowledge and wisdom that you are ready to bring forward from the golden age of Mu. And for those that don't know what Mu is, it's the shortened word for Lemuria. Recognize that this is important and that the keys and codes from Mu will help Earth and those around you to ascend. Your guidance is to move steadily on your path. Know that you are healing and connecting places and people wherever you go. People may not understand you, but you are developing fortitude, strength, and determination. These qualities will ultimately help you on your ascension journey. Well, that's nice to know. And that's a kind of a cool little card, especially the different colors kind of like a male and female yin yang kind of thing. Michael and Mary, their colors. So that's kind of cool. And then we have the deer. Let's see what the deer wants us to know. Because the deer also has to do with being gentle with yourself. In Native American language. So it's, and this one is saying, trust that you have the support of the universe. So let's see what the guidance of the deer is. The deer card is reminding you to treat the universe, to to trust the universe, to look after and support you, to trust your own deepest intuition. Then follow its guidance. Because if you get a hit, it doesn't do you any good if you don't take action. That's why they said today, not only what the collective needs to know, but what action to take. And that's what the deer is saying. So you trust your deepest intuition, but then you have to follow the guidance. You have to take action on what you're being guided to do. Deer bring you a message of balance and equilibrium, for you are guided to employ your psychic knowing while maintaining your dignity and divine magnificence. If you are reading this in the spring, expect a renewal of hope, confidence, and new direction. If it is the autumn, there may be endings that will ultimately benefit you, so handle them with grace. And though technically we're still in summer, the Labor Day weekend is known for splitting the summer and fall. So I would take this going forward as we're actually going more into September and closer to the autumn equinox, that we listen to the autumn part of it more so than the spring summer part of it. So there may be endings that are coming up for you, but it will ultimately bring you, it will benefit you. So handle it with grace. You are asked to look out for and help those weaker than yourself, and Archangel Michael will assist you in this task. He invites you to remember that we are all one, and in helping another, you promote your spiritual growth and ultimately that of the planet. Because we are all here to help Mahaina, Mother Earth, Pachamama, whatever your term for Gaia. People call her different things depending on how you've been trained or brought up. So you want to always, in all the work that you do, always make sure that you send love and healing to Mahaina. She's what sustains us here. And if we lose her, we're in deep trouble. We don't want that to happen. So we are doing everything possible. That's why we work with the Pillars of Light, my group that I have. And if you're interested in it, please reach out to me either in the comments saying that you would be interested in joining our group. We do have a new person going to be starting with us in a couple weeks, so that will bring us up to, there's 6 of us right now, so that, and the 7th one is joining. So the more power that we have as we set these pillars down of light to anchor into the earth and to the grandmother's net of light that surrounds Mahaina, then we bring more light, more balance to the planet so that she can continue with her birthing us into a greater awareness and awakening for all of humanity. all that choose to move forward on the path of light. That's what these pillars do. And we work with Archangel Michael because he's the one who lets us know where the pillars are needed. And he inscribes them with love, unity, truth, and justice. And then he'll tell us other words that need to be included depending on what we're doing. Sometimes it's compassion, sometimes it's empathy, sometimes it's forgiveness, awareness, just different words, but the other ones remain the same always: love, truth, justice, and unity. So if you're interested in joining, just reach out and put a comment in there that and with an email that I can reach out to you, or get a hold of me through Facebook, and reach out and say you're interested in joining the Pillars of Light group, and then I will reach out to your email and connect with you and let you know when we meet so that you can become a part of that. And then our jumper card, just to remind you who it was, good old Mama Bear. And again, use your power with wisdom. I love the little shining lights right there in the heart. She did it with the deer too. Kind of cool. So the bear, the guidance from the bear card suggests that you have the wisdom within you that enables you to establish your power and use it correctly. For this, it is important for you to be in an environment where you are happy and free. So examine your world, and if you need to make changes, ask Archangel Uriel to help you. He will strengthen your solar plexus chakra so that you feel confident and strong. You may need to walk alone while you reclaim your wisdom and your worth. If so, use this opportunity to create your own cocoon so that source light can touch you. Open your crown center and let Archangel Jophiel pour his crystal yellow light right through you, expanding your heart so that you spread peace and love. And isn't that what it's all about, folks? It's like truly bringing peace to the planet, bringing peace to your world with love. That's what it's all about. It's what this planet is about. That's what the angels and the archangels are trying to get everybody into alignment with, is that it is about love. Love yourself, love your family, love your neighbors, love the world. We all come from the same place. We all are created by the same source. It doesn't matter if you're an animal, a plant, a tree, a bird, a fish, a creepy crawly, a slithering one. We all come from one source. We were created by one source, the great mystery, the great spirit, God. Doesn't matter what you call it, it's the same source. And we all come from one place. We are all related. That's what Mitakuye Oyasi means. We are all related. So if you harm any living being, there's going to be consequences. There's karma that has to be. And if you do it deliberately, the consequences can be even greater. And karma is coming back pretty quickly. It's not waiting for the next lifetime or the next lifetime or the next time. It's coming back almost instantaneously. So please be careful of your wording, how you treat people. Do it with love. So once again, here are the cards. The ladybird, the rhinoceros, the deer, and our special bonus jumper card, the bear. So remember, when you get ideas, listen to that intuition. Not only this is stuff that needs to be known for the collective, it needs to pay attention, but you need to take action on what your intuition is guiding you to do. So that is the reading for this week, and we will see you next Sunday for the next one. If you like these readings and you want to see more of them, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button so you'll be notified when new videos come up. And we will see you next week. Remember, walk in beauty, my friends. Walk in beauty.